Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome back to Iowa Classic Cars. Today we'll be looking at my friend's 1959 El Camino. This car is pretty much complete and original. Let's talk about it. So like I said, this is a 1959 El Camino. This is the first year of the El Camino. This was Chevrolet's example to compete with the Ford Ranchero, which debuted in 1957. In my opinion, Chevrolet did it way better than Ford ever could have. But this car is Roman red, and originally it was Roman red with a Snowcrest white top and fins. We know that because of the paint code on the trim tag, but also the factory paint dividers here. All of this would be white, as well as the roof. So Marshall, you and your dad own this vehicle. What all have you done to it since you've picked it up?
Picked it up probably 2 years ago now. Did full suspension, redid all of suspension bushings, upper and lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rod-ons, changed the power steering box, put actual power steering on it rather than power assist like a 59 had. We bought a crate engine, small block Chevy 350. Car had a 283 in it with a 4-barrel power pack.
Correct.
Also put a new clutch in it, all new fuel line, all new stainless steel brake line, new sending unit in the fuel tank. Also had the fuel tank redone, and basically everything mechanical has been fixed and updated. Now we still have some tidying up to do wiring wise under here. We did do power brake conversion, so it has disc on the front, added the brake booster, dual master cylinder. Also converted it from a mechanical clutch to a hydraulic clutch. Just makes drivability a lot nicer. Added the electric fans. The pulley setup on this is actually off of a 94 Chevy 1500 Silverado. Makes it a nice serpentine belt system, and it's actually pretty affordable to do that.
And the wiper motor here is retro.
Yeah.
You can order these brand new. It looks like a 1-speed wiper, but you have what, 3 speeds in these?
2 or 3.
But they work a whole lot better. They don't have the old school grease in them that always seems to kind of seize up, and you actually have dependable wipers now. So you kind of have the best of both worlds here. You have an older style carbureted engine, runs real good, disc brakes up front, hydraulic clutch, a serpentine belt, electric fans. So you've got that kind of old school look with the motor itself, but it has a lot of nice modern amenities. So this interior is pretty much stock. It's not factory correct interior, but it's kind of a period correct look. You have the crushed velour door panels, which will be getting replaced with Impala style 59 door panels. The seat is like a 5960 Bel Air style with no seat trim, which will be added shortly. The carpet is like 70s style house carpet.
Pretty gross.
Pretty gross. It'll be replaced as well. The dash is real nice, original. The paint is a dark red with a 60 or 5960 Impala steering wheel. The dash trim is 1960. On 59s, there will be a bunch of lines in the trim, and 60s are dots. So that's one way to tell that. It's got a convertible only style sun visor. And how you tell that is there are 2 little pivots right there on the mirror for the sun visor. A day-night mirror. And other than that, it's pretty much just a period correct look to it. Very clean, nice interior. So in addition, this car also has a factory grill guard or bumper guard, as some people call them. It's got the factory Impala style 2-tone paint dividers, like I mentioned earlier. And as you can see on the taillights, the chrome strips in the taillights themselves are Nomad only, 1959. The car also has the optional reverse lights under the bumper, as you see there. So when you put the car in reverse, they come on, they're awful bright. So everyone, this concludes today's video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a like rating, as well as comment your favorite year of El Camino. Mine's 59, but I'm kind of biased to them. As well as subscribe if you are new to the channel for more old car videos coming weekly. Thank you all for watching. My name is Ryan, and I'll catch you next video.